the configure subgrade command will let you adjust a subgrade adjustment region. So if you identified a simple subgrade adjustment area, you can run the configure subgrade from the takeoff tab, and it'll ask you to select the subgrade adjustment region. You can see here as I scroll around, it's identifying the areas that actually have that command or have that simple subgrade adjustment. These other ones are area site improvements, and this is a simple subgrade, and you can see that it actually displays that information, or that is a simple subgrade. So when I click on it, you'll see that I have the ability to come in and change the thickness. So if I wanted to make this 8 instead of 6, I could do that simply by coming in and applying it here. So you can even see that it gives you a preview of what that thickness is. So here's the 6 and 8, and I could come in here and make this one 12 maybe, and apply that. So again, you're able to adjust the subgrade adjustment area.